Why does meditation matter? And how do healthy eating habits impact our overall well-being? These are questions that have been asked for centuries, and as we journey through life, it becomes clear that the answers are more critical than ever. Our focus today revolves around a potent combination of two health-enhancing practices: meditation and juicing. Specifically, we will explore the incredible benefits of a superfood that is gaining popularity worldwide, sea moss. Step 1 is understanding the power of sea moss. This sea vegetable is packed with nutrients and minerals that our bodies need. From improving digestion to boosting immunity, sea moss is a true gift from the ocean depths. Now, onto the juicing journey. Step 2 involves sourcing your sea moss. Always aim for wild-crafted or organic sea moss, ensuring it's free from harmful pesticides and additives. Step 3, preparation is key. Before juicing, sea moss must be thoroughly cleaned and soaked. Rinse it under cold water to remove any sea debris, then soak it for 12 to 24 hours. This process helps the sea moss expand and release its beneficial properties. Step 4 is where the magic happens: the blending. Combine your soaked sea moss with a bit of the soaking water and blend until it forms a smooth gel. This gel is the base of your sea moss juice. Step 5, it's time to get creative. You can mix your sea moss gel with various fruits and vegetables. Try adding apples for sweetness, cucumbers for hydration, or ginger for a spicy kick. Step 6, enjoy your sea moss juice. Drink it as is, or add it to smoothies, soups, or even your morning oatmeal. Now, as we reach the end of our discussion, let's take a moment to reflect on the key points. First, we learned about the importance of meditation and its role in maintaining mental health. Then we delved into the world of juicing, specifically with sea moss, and discovered how it can provide a wealth of nutrients and boost our overall health. The journey to wellness is a personal one, and it often begins with small, simple steps. So, whether you're starting your day with a moment of meditation or sipping on a glass of sea moss juice, remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. In the pursuit of wellness, remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. So here's to taking that first step, and here's to the journey ahead.